Georgetown at home against Cincinnati. They're at home, but you wouldn't recognize them being at home. 12 of 48 from the field, 25%, and this is a huge play in a very disappointing night for the Hoyas. Chris Wright, the point guard, hurts his hand. He went down, checked on by Kashmir Wright. He'd have to leave. He goes to the locker room, comes back in. He's going to come back in with a brace on. He's going to gut it out. Or so that was the plan. But a little later, tries to make a pass.
Goosey goose.
He's playing with one hand. He's diagnosed with a broken hand. He is out indefinitely. That is a serious blow to Georgetown as we move into March. Well, the Hoyas couldn't throw it in the ocean, standing on the beach. And Cincinnati is going to get its first win on the road over a ranked team in 20 games. 58-46.